Today I will show you how to make this crazy trippy effect that everyone should use. Yo, it's Bovikas here, and let's begin. Alright guys, so here in After Effects, I have a clip of Osama-san from his withdrawals music video, and what you can do on your clip is press Ctrl D to duplicate your clip. And now what you need to do is right click on your clip and go to blending mode and make it to screen. So we pretty much made this as a overlay, and now we can start adding effects on top of this clip that we just made to screen blending mode. So the first effect we can add is going to be find edges. I really like it here, and I'm gonna make it to invert. And look, now it just kind of makes the edges pop out, like look at before and after. That looks pretty cool. But now let's add the effect called displacement map to mess everything up. Maybe not like that, like in a good way, you know? So here I like to make the max horizontal displacement to 40, and the vertical one I like to make it to 80. Now you can make this lower or higher, depends on how much you want this displaced. Like if you make it really high, like it's going to get displaced like this, but I'm gonna make it to 80 because I like it like this. And make sure this is selected on the clip that you're on. And now I can add a very optional effect, by the way. It's going to be deep glow 2 or deep glow 1. I just like to add some glow here, and I'm gonna make the glow to 0.15 and the radius to 750. And now I'm going to add the effect called S-Flicker from the Sapphire plugin. So you do need the Sapphire plugin a little bit, I guess, but this is a very much non-important effect as well. And I like to make it to 0.1. I just like to add a bit of a flicker on our clips. And now we can add a very important effect, which is going to be posterized time. And here let's make the frame rate 3 times lower than we already have our frame rate. So my frame rate is 24 FPS. So divided by 3, we're going to get 8. So let's make it to 8. And this is going to make it a bit lag on the overlay, not the actual clip, but just the overlay. And now let's add the last effect, which is going to be Distort Chroma. Now for this effect, you obviously need the Sapphire plugin, so you do need to have the Sapphire plugin for this tutorial. I am sorry guys, but this is a really cool effect. And I like to make the amount to 0.1, and let's make the blur lens to 250, or you can make it even a bit higher, and you will get this absolutely crazy look. Just look at before and after. Now why we made this blend mode to screen? Well, look, if it was normal, if it will look like this, which is actually a pretty cool look, I'm not gonna lie. So you could have it like this, but I do like the cleaner look with the blending mode screen. You can mess around a lot with the blending modes, by the way. Now another thing you could have done is just unchecked this effect, and you would have this super cool effect. So this is the second variation. I absolutely love this variation as well, so you know, make sure to use it if you want. Just use both these variations. I mean, you pretty much just got 2 effects in one video. But let's just turn back on the find edges, because that actually looks really cool. And I guess we have pretty much made this effect. But yeah, guys, just let me know what you think about this tutorial. I made this tutorial because a lot of you loved my other tutorial where I made this like effect that nobody ever uses, but everyone should. And if you haven't seen it somehow, then I'm going to have it like somewhere right here. I don't know, like maybe up here. If you want, you can watch it. It's an absolutely banger tutorial. But anyways, just have a great day, guys. See ya.